Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable always use secure connections on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable always use secure connection on Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. In left pane, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. Then click on security. Scroll down again. Here under advanced option, you will find an option always use secure connections, and by default is turned off. Use HTTPS whenever possible and get warned before loading sites that that do not support HTTPS. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now always use secure connections is enabled on my Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.